This is an object swapper. It can swap the locations of objects, like this.
Wow! That's amazing!
This is going to make my work so much easier. It was actually quite a challenge to create such a fine piece of work. As you can probably we need to get our hands on that zapper, Jorn.
Yeah, Stein. It will make our work much easier, too. Yeah.
Failed experiments and oh, the mess I made. You wouldn't believe it. I couldn't even reach my infinity calculation device because, well, it had fallen behind the couch. I reached it. Let's give this little thingy a test run. Let's get my quantum turbine emitter. It was actually quite a challenge. Piece of work, as you can probably imagine. Oh, dear. Bye-bye now.
We need to catch them, Morphle. Morph into a race car.
Hey, Jorn, this little button says random.
Press it, Stein. What in the...
Wow, it can swap anything.
Stop it, you bandits!
Bye-bye, Mila and Morphle.
Oh no! Morph into a rocket, Morphle! Phew! Let's get back to the city quickly. Look, Morphle, the bandits!
Haven't you had enough yet?
Stein?
Oh, no. Huh? What's this?
Police Officer Freeze! Over here!
So unlucky. What are the odds?
Great work, you guys. I think that zapper could make my work much easier.